In this video, we are going to show you how to add contacts and export contact details in a CSV format onto and from the Odore platform. First, start by navigating to the Contacts page on the platform. Once there, you can see two buttons at the top, Add Contacts and Export Data. Below, you can see all the contacts that have been uploaded onto the platform in a list, and you can make use of the search function to find a specific name. In order to add more contacts to the platform from a CSV or Excel file, press the Add Contacts button. A pop-up will then appear and you can select where you would like to add contacts from. In this case, we will select Import CSV and click Next. Enter in the name of your contact list and then click Submit. Next, you will be presented with an Upload Data from File button, which when clicked will open up your Finder on macOS or My Computer on Windows. Here, you can then select the Excel file that has your contact information stored in it. The file will then be imported and you can select a specific sheet in the file that you would like to upload. Once you have selected the sheet, you can then match the columns to the correct database heading on the Odore platform. You can select what information you'd like uploaded from the file. As seen here, I've unselected the date of births in my Excel spreadsheet, but have confirmed mapping of all other columns. Once you have selected the data that you would like to upload to the Odore platform, click Review. Here you can see an overview of your data. If you're happy, then you can click Continue and that you would like to submit it. Once submitted, the contacts will appear on the Odore platform. Next, we will show you how to export contacts that you may have collected from campaigns. In order to export contacts, click the Export Data button, select the contacts you would like to export, and then click the Export button again. This will then start downloading the selected contacts in a CSV file that you can then view. We hope this has been helpful. If you encounter any problems or have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to your account manager.